What up guys, this is going to be a fun video. This is another DIY on how to custom paint your own shoes. I am taking my gently used Air Force Ones all white. I just wanted to add a little bit of color to them, so I went with the color salmon. Now I'm just going to show you the things that I used. Obviously, like I said, I'm taking one of my Air Force One all white pairs, and then I am using the Angelus, I believe that's how you pronounce it, acrylic leather paint, and I'm using the color salmon. Now this one is such a pretty color. I love it. I'm so happy I got to find this color. I couldn't find it at first. And then I'm just taking a premium 5 brushes for shading and corner detailing. I got mine from Walmart. Also for some duct tape that we'll be using to tape up your shoe on the areas that you don't want the paint to go on. And then some matte clear spray. Obviously I'm going to be showing you how to use all these things, so don't be confused. This is just some pure acetone some pure acetone remover and some cotton balls. So also I'm just taking some blank paper. You can take whatever type of paper you have to cover the space that you're going to be working with. You don't want to put the paint. It's pretty easy to clean off, but I'd rather avoid the messiness and just cover my area with white paper. And I'm just going to tape it down to the desk using the thinner duct tape. And again, everything I'm using will be listed below on where I got it. So now I'm just preparing my shoe, tying the shoelaces. I am now taking the acetone and the cotton ball. Basically, you're just like detail cleaning it to the areas that you're going to be painting so that it's a smooth surface and clean. Now I'm going to take the thicker duct tape and I'm just going to start placing it all over my shoe. More so that at the end when you're spraying that clear matte spray, because it is a thick, like sticky spray, I don't want it to go all over my shoe because it does feel weird. So I'm just covering it more for that, because the brushes are very detailed and skinny, so it's not really more for the paint. So yeah, just cover up your shoes. Then I'm taking one of the brushes that I felt was best for me. Obviously you can use whatever size brush you want, and I'm just gonna go and dip it into the salmon color, and I'm just gonna start shading in the Nike sign and then the little back strip and the other side of the shoe. I'm also doing the Nike sign on that one, so both Nike signs and the back strip. And again, I got my paint from Angelus. Now I know you can find them online pretty much on a bunch of websites, like on Amazon, eBay, and of course their own website, but I actually live close to one, and they are not local, but they are very drivable from where I live. So I just went ahead and did a little curbside pickup, and it's only $2.95, you guys, for that little bottle. But you really don't need much paint, especially if you're doing like small details the way I am. You won't use not even like you'll have it for a lot of shoes. So I just went with the smaller bottle and it was $2.95. And again, this is acrylic leather paint. This is not regular paint that you can get from like Michael's. I don't know how well those would work on shoes, so I didn't really want to take the risk, and plus it was only $2.95 like I said, so I thought it was a good price and going with the good stuff for actually painting your shoes. Now the rest of the time you'll see me just painting, so pretty self-explanatory. I use the corner of the brushes where it's thinner so I can really get in the detail work. And here I am going on with the second shoe, and I'm just going to start painting the same areas. And of course I'm cleaning it first, and as you see there, I was about to start painting without cleaning it, so I just quickly stopped and just did a little rub of the acetone on the cotton ball, and then I continued my painting. Alright, and now I went outside for the spraying part because it is a strong scent. My matte clear spray I got from Walmart, and it's also like $3, so super cheap. And just spray it about 2 feet away from the shoe. Don't go like too close to it. And what the spray is doing, it's just literally like doing a like protection coat, kind of like when you paint your nails and you put like a clear top coat on top to kind of give it a longer life, I guess you could say, to protect it. And you could totally see the spray going across the camera, so sorry about that. Then I let mine air dry for like a full 24 hours, and then I'm now just taking off the paint. I'm sorry, not the paint, the tape. And voila, I think they came out really nice. And that is what they look like. I mean, right there I'm just showing you that the paint is dry. I think the color is so pretty. I love him. I love. I'm very happy with my little DIY custom painting my shoes. And this is what they look like on, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please tag me on Instagram. Instagram will be below. And there goes Princess. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.